Let's find sine theta. This is a Pythagorean triple, so we have 5, 12, 13. We can use the Pythagorean theorem, c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. Tan theta is opposite over adjacent. So let's find theta with a calculator. We can hit trig inverse of any one of these three choices. We'll just choose the first one. So theta is equals to sine inverse of 5 over 13, which is approximately 22.6 degrees. Now without a calculator, we could just choose this part here. We could also choose cosine inverse of 12 over 13 or tan inverse of 5 over 12. Finally, let's find an expression for cosine inverse of 5 over 13 in terms of theta. Now the problem is, what does this even mean? Trig inverse refers to an angle. So for example, if this angle was called alpha, what do we know about alpha? Adjacent hypotenuse. We know that cosine of alpha is equals to 5 over 13. So when we trig inverse both sides, alpha is equals to cosine inverse of 5 over 13. So this strange expression is referring to this angle up here, alpha. So therefore, this is equals to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus theta. So alpha is equals to the whole angle, all the angles, take away 90, take away theta. Or we could simplify this as 90 minus theta.